So now that my skincare is down, as you guys can see, I look so much better. I'm going to do my makeup today with this lipstick. Basically, I'm going to do my whole makeup with this one product. I've named this color Baddie. It's this beautiful kind of a brownie brown lipstick.
Woke up to like the worst weather.
Just the sun just came out. It's cold, like seriously cold and windy. I'm gonna do a quick video for you guys. This channel is still demonetized. Why?
Because my dumbass uploaded a bunch of freaking TikTok videos.
And those are called reuse content. And yeah, so that's where we're at. I just got out of the shower. My face is washed. If you are an Alienator or Ellie's Army and you want to support me, this is the best way to support me, because if you guys wear my makeup and use my skincare products, and if somebody asks you, you can be like, oh, Ellie, Arket Cosmetics. So that's the best way you guys can support me. And also do something amazing for yourself. All my products are vegan, organic, cruelty free. So this is my soap, which I live by. I just got out of the shower. I wash my whole face and body with this every day. 24 karat gold collagen day serum. 24 karat gold collagen soap cleanser for face and body.
I always say like that for face and body.
Like a psycho. And this is going to get rid of acne on your body. If you are prone to acne on your face and your body, this is going to get rid of it. It's going to clear it. It's for all skin types. It's going to hydrate it. It's not going to make your skin white, because I think it says something like it brightens your complexion. It brightens your complexion. It evens out your skin, but it's not going to make your skin white if you have like darker skin. And then we have our 24 karat gold collagen day and night serum. Amazing, amazing. Gets rid of fine lines. It makes your skin look amazing. Gives you a glow. You will get rid of acne scars, age spots, sunspots. It's going to tighten your skin. It's just amazing. And then of course the face cream is crazy. There's retinol in this, hyaluronic acid, avocado oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, almond, avocado oil. It's insane. Literally the most hydrating face cream you'll ever need. So I made my nails like a matte brown. So I did matte brown and I love it, but on my toes it's like a shiny brown. It's super pretty. I'm going to do my makeup today with this lipstick. Basically, I'm going to do my whole makeup with this one product. That's how to do your makeup, like a quick look of the day with just one product. Of course, I'm going to do my skincare and stuff like that, but I'm just going to do my whole makeup with this one color. I've named this color Baddie. It's this beautiful kind of a brownie brown lipstick. And use this to contour, lipstick, blush, eyeshadow. So that's what we're going to do. So let's get into it. The eye look like shit. And I don't know what to do about that, because I was gonna kind of go out and jog in the sun, but it's basically, put this hair back. It's basically cold as hell. Well, not hell, because hell is hot. What are you talking about? It's really cold and it's really windy. And then I have something really disturbing to tell you. So across the street, I was gonna take Paris out, and then I noticed this guy. There was like a mattress, or like a mattress across the street. Like somebody moved across the street from me, and they left like their mattress and like their coffee table out, and there's a homeless person laying on it. And I was like, okay, like he was doing something. Well, he was doing something, if you guys know what I mean. And I was like, whoa. Called my landlord, and I was just like, brah, you gotta have to come down here or call the police. So they called the police and had the guy move, but I'm sure he's gonna come back. I'm gonna go with my cream. And I was like, sometimes, you know, the homeless situation is really, really bad in LA. And I live in a really nice area. I mean, these are like multi-million-dollar homes and super, super expensive, you know, high-end like apartments. And it's just kind of like cray-cray. So now that my skincare is down, as you guys can see, I look so much better. Like my skin is super glowy, right? So I'm not going to wear foundation. I never wear foundation. Sometimes I wear tinted moisturizer, but I'm just going to basically use this one product, my lipstick Baddie, and I'm going to contour my face with it. Just like a little bit, like that, because it's brown. And I'm going to do it here, just like a little bit. We don't want to go too crazy. And I'm going to also do it to my eye. I just want to show you guys that basically when you guys buy my lipsticks for eyeliner, eyeshadows, blush, lipstick, boom. The glosses, you can use them as highlighter. Like, it's amazing. So I'm just going to use my fingers and just pat it in. I haven't done my eyebrows yet. So you guys can see like how cute it is. You see that? I'm going to take a beauty blender and just use that. And now I'm filming this later in the day. I've noticed like when I do videos here first thing in the morning, it's really nice lighting, but like later after like 11 or 12, it's really bad lighting because it's like the sun is coming through and it's just like, so I'm probably going to look weird. But anyway, so we just did that. Now I'm going to take the same lipstick and I'm going to put it on my cheeks right here. And I'm just going to use my fingers. This is the no makeup look, like basically one product. And I'm just going to kind of bring it here across. So now that that's done, I'm going to also go in to my lips. Now, this is lipstick. This is not Velour liquid lipstick. So it's going to come off, but it will stain a little bit. And then again, I just go in and I tap, tap, tap. And I hope that the lighting is not too ugly. And then now that I did that, so I did my whole face with this one lipstick, okay? Go in with my black eyeshadow right here. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of a wing. Now we're trying to do a very, very natural look here. But still, bitch, I need to extend that. I haven't done my eyebrows yet, so I'm just gonna go in just like a little bit right here, like literally right here, because I am gonna go run errands. I bought a bunch of stuff that I don't need anymore and I want to go back to Amazon, like take it and return it. And I've decided I want to go blonde, but I gotta wait a little bit because my hair needs to just get a little bit longer. I need to get like healthier. So I got all these extensions that are super, super dark, like almost black. So I'm gonna return them, but I don't know if I can return them. But anyway, so I just did this. And just a little bit. Put it here and put it here. Literally just a little bit. Look. Like I'm just putting it a little bit here on top of my cheeks. And that's it. I'm done. So this is the look right now. Let me just do a little bit more. Okay. This color is so gorgeous. And I feel like for summer, sometimes these kind of colors look so much better on your skin because you're going to tan. And yeah, so we did this whole look with one product, literally. I used my lipstick for my eyes, cheeks, contoured, and lipstick. Boom. What you want. Trying to teach you guys how to live on a budget. If you guys are interested in the makeup and the skincare products, go to EYESHAODW.com. If you guys are interested in coming to me for readings and coaching and all that, you can go to EYESHAODW.com. Give this video a like. Hang in there, guys. We'll be back. I'm going to try to do these quick videos for you guys throughout the week until we can re-monetize the channel. Be nice in the comment section. Be kind. Be nice. We don't want to get in trouble again. Love you guys. See you guys. Bye.